In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in Windows 11. To get started, open the Control Panel. The quickest way to do that is by opening the Start menu, or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, then typing Control Panel into the search bar. When it appears in the results, click to open it. This is where you'll find the classic account settings that still let you rename a local user account. Once Control Panel is open, click on User Accounts. If your control panel is set to category view, you may need to click user accounts one more time on the next screen. That's completely normal, so don't worry if it takes an extra click to get into the right section. After that, look for the option that says Change Your Account Name. Click it, type in the new name you want to use, and confirm the change. This will update the username that appears on the sign-in screen and in other areas of Windows. When you're done, restart your computer to make sure the change is fully applied and shows up properly. If you don't see the option to change your account name, that usually means your Windows 11 account is connected to a Microsoft account instead of a local account. In that case, go to Settings from the Start menu, then click Accounts and open your info. Under Account Settings, check whether your account is set up as a local account. If it isn't, you should see an option on the right side that says Sign in with a local account instead. Click that option and follow the steps shown on your screen to switch from your Microsoft account to a local account. Windows will guide you through the process, so just take your time and complete each prompt carefully. Once you've finished switching to a local account, go back to the Control Panel, return to User Accounts, and you should now see the option to change your account name. From there, enter the name you want, save the change, and restart your computer again if needed. One important thing to keep in mind is that this changes the visible account name, but it may not rename your user folder inside File Explorer. So, if your goal is just to update the name you see when signing in or in account menus, this method is usually exactly what you need, and that's how to change username in Windows 11.